Alright everybody, this is a 1985 Chevrolet Camaro Sport Coupe. It's got the original Chevrolet bow tie right here from 1985. Original bow tie, headlight covers. It's got lots of other cool stuff. The antennas right here means you get radio and stuff. Got the side view mirrors. Yep, this is it. Here's where you put the gas in. Now, let's take this beautiful baby for a ride. Okay, let's start this sexy baby up. Seatbelt's got the radio right here, the Camaro symbol right there. Has crank windows. Manual locks. Door opens. This is locked. You really gotta pull the door open to close it. Well,
hey, don't slam the door.
Well, start her up.
Start her up. Okay.
Fires right up. Hear this baby purr. See the clock's right down there. It's an automatic. Camaro emblem right there. Let's go around the neighborhood. Now this is the Camaro POV. This is the Sport Coupe model, the cheapest model you could get back in the day in 1985. Let's see how fast we can make her go.
No, we're not doing
that. This is awesome. Where I get my information about the car.
It's your video.
So this car's had lots of parts replaced on it. Let's say, it's got a new inside roof. The original roof fell off. It's got a new muffler on the car.
Hey, nothing on this car is new.
No, you're right. Nothing on this car's new. Sorry, people. This thing kind of handles great. Great running car, so please take care of it. It's been in our family for 30 years. 30 years?
33.
It's been in the family for 33 years. My grandpa bought it back in 1985 at Promax Simon Chevrolet in New Haven, Indiana.
Well, you can show people me operating the steering wheel.
Yep, it's got power steering, even a horn, but no airbags. Yeah, the horn kind of works.
No, it works. You just gotta muscle it.
The horn works, but you just gotta muscle it. There are no airbags. Those weren't invented back in 1985. So you were to crash, you'd be dead. Or not. My first YouTube video.
I know.
Videos my YouTube right now are favorites.
It's having a bad day. We'll just go smooth. Now, where all do you want to drive to? It's your video. Do you want to drive back home or drive the neighborhood?
Let's keep
Drive out in the country a little.
Well, I take this baby out in the country.
Take it out and kind
We like to call her Old Betsy.
Now, are you videotaping this the whole time or outside? You could set it right here and hold it stable if you want to videotape outside.
This is awesome. This is like kick butt
Then
right
when you
now.
want to get inside shots, you can bring it in and get inside shots.
There's the roof light. Inside, there's the back seats. There's the speakers for the radio back there. There's the, it's the fuel gauge. I wonder how many views this thing's gonna get. Oh yeah, hear that engine? Yeah, that's that engine, baby, yeah. It's got lots of power in it. This car even has that cigarette lighter still?
Yeah, the cigarette light's right here.
The cigarette lighter's right here.
Well, the one that goes in it is not there. Alright, down here's an ashtray.
And then here's the ashtray.
You don't see on modern cars.
Something you do not see on modern cars. I should go YouTube videos and probably like gameplay videos.
Hold it. Just flat right there on the. Yeah, that holds it steady, right? Keep your hand up there. Don't hold the buttons on the side. Just keep your hand up there. Make sure it doesn't fall off the wall.
Right now we're out in the countryside. Great place to take this car for a spin. We'll get back to the house when I get some cool stuff and shots of the engine. We'll get back to the house where we pop the hood, do some cool stuff. Let's feel like a fan of our sales video.
Okay. We'll put the license plate back up. Left or right?
We are going to go left.
Go right.
Alright, so we're going to go right.
I went left last time, so we'll go right this time. You can still narrate while we're filming.
Well, I can tell you some cool facts about this car. I've done it already. Well, it's got the spare tire. It's good. It's gonna need that. I don't know what to say. What was YouTube video?
Talk about how I used to race as a kid.
My father used to race when he was first driving this thing. He raced at Eagle Town one time. The engine kind of quit working. When my dad was 12 years old, he started driving back then. True story. He hated art class at school. So his father would take him out and they'd go back to the country roads. They'd switch seats. My dad would do the driving. Did I show this to everybody?
Now you told him about me getting beat by the Eagle Talon. How about all the races I won? Do you remember any of those?
I think you beat a Gran Torino one time, right?
Yep, I beat a Gran Torino in a 3-mile race. Beat I forget what it was, a Pontiac something brother with a 305 in it. Beat several 305s.
Pontiac Ventura.
It wasn't a Ventura.
There that's a body I can show right, yeah. So, that's an Oldsmobile 442.
Every V8 I raced, I got beat, and the one 4-cylinder I raced, I got my butt kicked because it was a twin turbocharged.
It's got lots of views on YouTube, so. That should make some more YouTube videos soon, like fighters and technologies videos.
I can't do screen capture.
Probably like a fancy camera for that.
Remember, everything you're saying is going to be on your YouTube video.
I'm not actually going to post them fighters and technologies videos, guys. Just
Concentrate on this video, this topic. Let's show them that real quick. Show them over there real quick. Tell them that we've been down there before.
we have been down there before. That is the Wildcat Creek in Indiana. Here comes the hill.
Why do we like this road so much? Why do we keep driving this road?
We keep driving this road so much because it has some freaking hills on it.
Got hills and curves. It's a fun road for a Camaro.
This will probably be my only YouTube video, guys, so enjoy. Sure about the tell us 1985 Chevy Camaro Sport Coupe. Thank you, God.
What are you thanking God for?
I'm gonna make this video here.
Oh, okay.
Also, the air conditioner in this car does not work no more.
Say something positive about the car?
The car has air cooled.
No, it's not air cooled. Oh, you mean the cabin's air cooled?
Yes, the cabin is air cooled.
How do you get the cabin cooled?
You just roll the windows down, that's how the cabin gets air cooled.
Roll windows down, it's your air conditioner. Right now we're driving past the house that Axel Rose used to live in. We're in the mall right now.
I mean, the Guns N' Roses song actually lived in the house?
Yep.